Hi guys, just wanted to do another quick video as a follow-up to my previous video on the remotes, setting up your remotes on your Canon camera. I want to talk about the remotes themselves. Here are the two remotes. They're the same, but there's one big difference. The big difference is that this is an infrared remote. This is a Bluetooth remote. And the infrared remote has one handicap that hinders it from being as effective as the Bluetooth remote. That being that it relies on line of sight for it to work. So that if you can see that there's a infrared sensor right there in my camera, and this remote, which is infrared, has to be right on that sensor. It could be a little bit over to this side or that side, and for it to work. If it's behind it or on the side, it's not going to work. So when you have a shot set up and it's a shot that you've been waiting for, and you got your finger on the button, the last thing you want happening is pressing that button and you don't get the shot and you miss it. You might have to come back and reset up that shot again. That's not the case with the the Bluetooth remote. Now this is branded Canon, but you can get any brand that is Bluetooth, as long as it's compatible with your camera. But this thing, once you've paired it with your camera, and it doesn't use any infrared light, it doesn't have to be anywhere near this sensor. You can basically trigger the camera from anywhere, from behind it, from the side, from above it, from below. So you'll never miss that shot. So this Bluetooth remote for me is a lot better than the infrared. The infrared I think is cheaper to get, but it has a handicap, and I would recommend if you're going to get a remote for your camera, get one that's Bluetooth. It's a little bit more money, but you're going to be more happy with it. And if you can, try to get the remote that is branded to your camera. You'll find that you'll have less difficulty with it, setting it up and using it, than one that is not of the brand that your camera is. Okay, hope that helps, and see you soon.